I have about 100,000 photos and videos on my iPhone. I can't imagine sitting down and scrolling through all of them. So I was thinking, what if I could figure out a way to present all that content back, to look at it in a way that was fun and exciting and entertaining. And that's really how this project was born. Okay, so I'm gonna walk you through REMEMBR and how it works and how you can participate. I'm gonna scan the QR code and it's gonna take me to the App Store. I'm gonna download the REMEMBR app. When I push the Get Started button, now it's asking for access to your camera roll. Allow full access. No, it's not scary. Our artificial intelligence edits out inappropriate photos and screenshots. I love watching people watch their videos. I think it's really fun because people are scared, but when they see the videos realized on these screens, that all goes away and they just get excited about remembering their lives, reflecting back on them, seeing things they may have forgotten about, or reuniting with certain memories that have been buried.